Sa kinikita ng mga player, ito chismis lang.
Chismis.
Some players are earning as much as 70,000 a month, yung sweldo nila. Tapos sabi niyo may percentages pa sa premyo.
Yes.
And these are young kids,
Yes.
di ba? In fact, narinig ko nga rito may bayan sa Bataan na most of our players came from there. And nung nag-champion sila, itinayo ng bahay yung mga magulang. Narinig ko ho to Narinig ko ho to. So, in other words, siyempre may tax implication to sa bata. Who pays for their taxes or who takes care of these athletes, student athletes, kung nag-aaral pa?
Normally, yung organization yung nag-aayos. So, that's why normally sa esports, merong 70-30 na hatian. Part of
Okay.
the 30% is yung management fees, how they file the taxes involved for the
So,
prices.
it's charged against the company, not the player. Sinasalo nyo yung taxes? Is that what you're saying?
Depende po sa sa setup.
Sa setup
Yes.
or sa contract?
Sa contract.
Or is that an industry?
Yes, normally industry standard kasi some of the
Standard,
prices comes from US, sometimes from iba-ibang bansa eh. So, nagkakaroon na ng tax doon tapos if papasok pa dito, i-apply na nila yung necessary forms para ma-move yan.